This is my guy. I love him to death. This is my guy. From the first day I got into Klein IZ, one of the first guys I met. First guys I met welcomed me here to Klein IZ, to Klein Oak. This is my brother. Love him to death. And you know what? Nothing, society, social media, TV, nothing's gonna change the way I feel about him. You wanna know why? Because I judge him on his character and his heart. Chief Kimberly. Yeah, it's getting sensitive a little bit, huh? I don't care. Let's talk about what's real right now. These weights, this turf, none of that crap really matters at the end of the day, because one day you will not be able to run on this. You can't jog on this. You can't tackle. You cannot cover. You cannot catch on this. But when you're done, what type of person are you? If you got somebody at home that's teaching you about hating somebody because of the color of their skin, come talk to me. I'll help. I want to be part of the solution of making everybody come together. Want to be part of the solution. I want everybody to come together. Coaches, adults, all of us here want to be part of the solution for everybody to come together. Everybody come together. Everybody come together. We always say we family, right? Huh? Am I right? What you know, right? We say we family. Every team says that. Every team says that. You know why? Because it's cliche. It's cliche. Family on three. Family on me. 1, 2, 3, family. Do you mean that? Do you really mean it? Do you mean it? We're family. We're family.
We are family.
We're family. We're family. We're family, Miss Stacy. We're family. Not just my beautiful wife and kids. Yeah, that's my family. My family is here too. We're family, Coach Cobb. Love you, Coach Cobb. Not because of the color of your skin, because I know what type of person you are. Love you. Love you, Coach Vaughn. Not because we're the same race. I love you because we grew up together, first of all, and I know what type of person you are. I love you, Coach Frank, and you just got here. You just got here. Because he's part of the family now. The whole United States is crumbling before our eyes. I have kids. We all have kids. Your generation has to make a stand and not go through what my generation is going through right now. I'm going to say it again. Your generation, you have to do something to make sure that you're not going through what my generation is going through right now. It's too late. It'll be too late. Start now. Start now. And nothing can be fake about it. But that's why we are where we at now. Because we fake about it. Start now. Love one another and mean it. Color somebody's skin, you gotta be kidding me. And I don't care what somebody does to you. One of my hardest things, right, is to forgive people when I feel as though they did me wrong. Sir. Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
What is this program about? 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 And it starts with loving everybody. Not just the people you know, not the people that have the same race or skin color. It's everybody. That's part of making a great young man. Let's get our minds right, get ourselves ready to go, guys. It's time. We will not be divided. We're not going to be divided. We will never be divided.